and stumbled across the memes section of Reddit, the dark side, the memes, and all of a sudden you see this, a big microwave. Yeah, well, me neither. Yes, today we're going to be reacting to some microwave memes. Now, before we get started, number one, I don't have my Shuttle Bunny shirt on because, like I say, if you didn't watch my last video, I made that shirt in May, and it's actually washing right now because I've been wearing it the last couple days, so it's in the washer machine, but it will be in the next video. Also, it's my birthday! Anyway, today we're going to be reacting to microwave memes. Memes? Connor, there's memes on your channel now? Is this a meme channel? What? Anyway, enough screwing around. Today we're going to be reacting to microwave meme compilation by Ziggy TV. Now, I just found out about this meme, microwave meme thing. I was just looking through my recommended thing on YouTube, and all of a sudden, a big freaking microwave just comes up like, a bam, a bam, a bam, bam, bam. So many microwaves. There's so many microwaves on the screen. Look at that microwave, and that one, and ah! But anyway, original Mr. Flow, go subscribe to Ziggy TV, and without further ado, let's react.
Guys, gotta be honest with you. I don't know how this guy...
Are we really doing this? Are we really doing this?
I've been in the...
Is non-binary to one extent or another. Whether they're cisgender, agender, bigender, trigender, polygender, gray gender,
What?
Looks like you're not sleeping well.
Oh yeah, good music.
What type of girl are you? The hipster, the hardcore girl, the pastel goth, the swag Asian,
The microwave!
kawaii girl.
Long-term psychological effects of being strapped into a baby seat next to a bomb.
When food is in the microwave.
Oh no. Oh, come on. You could have got rid of the watermark. Even though all that's going on in the background, I can still get triggered by the watermark. I hate watermarks. Don't you guys hate watermarks? What is this? Why is this? What the hell? Hang on. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
I don't want to alarm you, but
Microwave.
Why do women only like jerks who treat them like shit? Why do guys only want bitchy bimbos who walk all over them?
new menu item. And as you can see, it's really pumping.
Canned coochie.
That's right, You heard it here first, folks. Let's go talk to the restaurant owner and find out what he was thinking.
Hello, I like.
And what brought you to this momentous decision, sir? I've been chasing that my whole life. Rules! And what do you think about this, sir? How am I supposed to compete with Ken? I just can't seem to get anybody down to the nut bucket, and now nobody's gonna come. Pun entirely intended. This fish needs to go hop in line, cause he needs to get himself some canned.
Meanwhile.
Hey, Squidward. What do you want, Patrick?
Fuck this shit!
Chris, is that a weed?
No, this is a crayon.
Call the police!
911, what's your emergency?
So anyway, I know what's gonna be haunting my dreams tonight. And no, it's not that, or even, okay, maybe that. Anyway, original message below. Go subscribe to Ziggy TV. Now this only has 718 views, so hopefully it can have more views because this is actually a really good compilation. And this is just such a weird meme. It's like the hamburger meme and the Oreo meme and the other memes. I know a lot of memes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Discord, Twitch, Reddit. I have a Reddit. Do I have memes on my Reddit? Maybe. Maybe you should check. Maybe you should click that link down description below and see if I have any memes on my Reddit. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!